KXLY4 News has just learned a Grant County judge has denied the release of a Moses Lake man who spent the past 10 years at Eastern State Hospital. In April of 2000, Jesus Martinez asked 85-year-old Melvin Johnson to use his phone. Then Martinez stabbed Johnson 17 times, took the money out of his wallet, and stole his car. He was found not guilty by reason of insanity and committed to Eastern State Hospital. Today, he asked the judge to grant him to be a free man. Well, today, Martinez took the stand in Grant County and made his case for permanent release from Eastern. Tori Brunetti was in court today and joins us live. Tori.
Yeah, Melvin Johnson's family called just before the show and said the judge decided not to release Jesus Martinez from Eastern State Hospital, leaving the Johnson family feeling very relieved.
My initial depression diagnosis was due to when I came to Eastern to realize what I had done, not knowing. I was only 18 years old.
That is the only time during his testimony Jesus Martinez mentioned what happened 10 years ago.
His excuse is, I was young, I was on drugs, so everything was all right.
But for the Johnson family, the only thing on their mind was their loved one's brutal attack.
Well, I'm a believer in the old rule, if you do wrong, pay your time.
But Martinez feels he has paid his time. His defense says any mental illness Martinez had was resolved 2 years into his treatment at Eastern. A psychologist testifying on behalf of the defense says Martinez could have been successfully released in 2005, and it's because of his growing frustration at being hospitalized, Martinez started to act out.
He's frustrated, he's demoralized, and when he said that, I kind of thought back to the day when I sat looking at my dad with all the blood. I wondered how frustrated and demoralized he was.
According to the prosecution, Martinez used his off-campus privileges to visit emergency rooms and lie about having back pain to get Vicodin. He was also caught smoking pot in the bathroom at Eastern, pot he says he got from another patient.
For myself, it's a on and off kind of situation. My infractions have limited my privileges.
The Johnson family worries what Martinez will do if he is released. They say if he abuses drugs in custody, who's to say he won't abuse drugs as a free man?
They didn't prove one thing to me, or I think a lot of people sitting in that courtroom, that guy is able to go out in society and not do what he did again.
Now, Jesus Martinez's sister was in court today, and she told me she feels for the Johnson family, but that when Martinez called his girlfriend from Melvin Johnson's phone, they got into a fight, and Jesus was angry and on drugs, and that Melvin Johnson was in the wrong place at the wrong time. In the newsroom, Tori Brunetti, KXLY4 HD News.